Today we are going to be reading Let It Rain, and the author and illustrator is the same person again today. Her name is Marianne Coca Leffler. So after seeing the title and seeing the cover, what do you think these kids are going to do in our story? Maybe play in the rain? What are they going to do in the rain? All right. Let it rain. It's spring. Singing birds, budding trees, frogs and tulips, honey bees. Digging, tilling, seeds to sow, planting carrots in a row. But then, heavy downpours, rivers flood, our flower garden turns to mud. Let it rain, rainbows, green grass, soccer fun, picnic, swinging in the sun. So you have picnics when it's warm outside. You can play soccer with your family. Go swinging. Lambs and bunnies. Remember, baby animals are born in the spring. Lambs and bunnies, puppies lick, newborn kittens, and little chicks. Look at all the cute little animals. They're little cuties. Building, painting way up high, our little house in the sky. They're making a tree house. That's so fun. But then, black flies, spiders, little ants crawl inside our farmer's pants. Look at all the bugs. They come back in the springtime. Let it rain, riding, gliding, cupcake treat, twirling, dancing, beep, bop, beep, beat. That's what you get to do in the spring and in the summer. It warms up, but soon, steamy classroom, blazing heat, wearing sandals on our feet. What do you think is coming up after spring? From the blazing heat, that means really hot, and sandals. What does that mean? Hooray, hooray! Last day of school, heading to the swimming pool. Ooh, I wonder what that means. What's coming? Are you going to go to the swimming pool? Summer is coming. Let it shine. Okay, so rain is very, very important during springtime because it helps everything grow and get back to where it needs to be for the summertime. And then in the summer, it gets hot. In the spring, it gets warm. And you can start playing outside, doing fun things, which I'm sure many of you have been doing. We've had some really, really, really beautiful days outside. Now, we have something fun we're going to do. We're going to do a science experiment. Most of you should have these materials at home. If you don't have these materials at home, that's fine because I'm going to be doing the science experiment for you so you can watch it. Or if you do have the materials, you can watch it and then you can do it at home. So let's get started. Here we go. All right, we're ready for our science experiment. So what you need is water and a clear jar or cup. So I have a mason jar. So fill that with water, not all the way to the top. You gotta leave a little bit of space. Shaving cream and blue food coloring. So in our science experiment today, our water is going to represent the air all around us. Air is what we breathe. We can't see it, but that's what's all around us. So that's going to represent our air. The shaving cream is going to represent the clouds in the sky. So if you look outside, if it's a cloudy day, there'll be a whole bunch of clouds. If it's partly cloudy, there's just a little bit of clouds. So I'm going to put this in here. So there's our clouds. So our clouds are full of little teeny tiny bits of water droplets. So look, I'm going to take the blue food coloring. I'm going to add more water droplets to this cloud. And once the cloud gets heavier, things start happening. Do you see what's happening? It's starting to rain. So when the cloud gets heavier from all the water droplets at the top, gravity, which is what keeps us on the ground, it pushes all that rain down, all the water down, and it falls, and it's rain that we see every single day, which I think is so cool. So if you want to do the science experiment at your house, you can do it too.